This RC grabber machine is fully controllable with my phone. I can steer the car, and with the robot arm on the top, I can pick up objects, place them wherever I want. It all started about a week ago when I ordered the ESP32. After working with the Arduino, I want something more powerful, something with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So I also picked up a terminal adapter to simplify the connections. Then I used a plastic frame as the chassis and all DC motors and wheels, and as soon as everything arrived, I started building. I plugged the ESP32 into the terminal adapter, but since I couldn't connect the motors directly, I used the motor driver. I mounted everything onto the plastic frame and attached the motors to the bottom. For the power, I use 3 lithium-ion cells in series given the 11.1 volt and placed them next to the motors. For the first version of the code that controlled only the car, after writing the program, I uploaded to the ESP32, installed the Deeble app from Play Store and started testing. Everything worked smoothly, and I added the wheels, and that's when I did my first test. It worked, but I noticed that there is one problem. The car's directions didn't match the controls in the app. After adjusting the code, I took it outside and everything worked perfectly. Till suddenly one motor came loose. Now it's the next day and I was ready to add the robot arm. I picked the stepper motor for the base, glued it into the frame and built the arm using a plastic pipe. Then with a few small servos I was able to make the arm to lift, lower and grab objects. After mounting the arm, I expanded the code to include the car arm control and upload the update version to the ESP32. But this time nothing happened. Then I spent another hour debugging, checking wires, rewriting the parts of the code, and testing everything again. It finally came to life. For the final test, I placed 5 different objects in front of it. Each one is bigger than the last one, and I'll try to control it using my phone and see if it can handle all of them. And the first few were pretty easy, but what surprised me is that it kept going through all of them without struggling. Actually, see, it works without no issues after all of those problems and struggles make the whole project worth.